All right, this is cooking lab number 6, caramelizing onion. And here's all my onions, my cast iron, got some water. I'll refill it later, but I'm gonna cook with some pure avocado oil and some mirin, like you suggested, since I had some. All right, so I'll go get started. All right, so I'm about at the halfway mark here. Got some nice fond on the skillet. Gonna go ahead and deglaze that with some mirin. Alright, and there is my finished product for the caramelized onion. I did pretty good. So I'm gonna take these off and use them.